and sports. Welcome to our factory. Today I'll show you exactly how heavy truck tires are made, step by step.
From raw rubber to the road, it's an incredible process. It all starts here with raw, natural, and synthetic rubber. Carbon black is added to give the tire its incredible strength and black color.
Precise chemical recipes determined how the tire performs.
Once prepared, everything heads to the Banbury mixer. Inside the giant mixer, intense heat and pressure fuse the ingredients into a master batch. Rolling mills flatten the compound and ensure the mix is perfectly consistent. Quality control checks the elasticity and strength before moving forward. Steel cords are coated in rubber to create the strong belts that armor the tire. The tread, the part that touches the road, is extruded as one continuous strip. These steel hoops, called beads, will anchor the tire firmly to the rim. This is where flat layers are transformed into a round tire. Inside the mold, heat and pressure vulcanize the rubber, giving it strength.
X-rays ensure the internal steel structure is flawless.
Make sure it's tight against the wall.
Yeah, perfect fit.
And that's how a raw rubber bale becomes a heavy-duty truck tire.